This is a 2013 Ford Escape. It features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side mirror mounted blind spot camera, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 37,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.